Now, moving to another part of selecting a data or a cell or an entire sheet, an entire row or an entire column. So as you are able to see over here, first to select a single cell, just click the cell which is selected is called as the active cell. Now over here, I have selected F7. So F7 is called as the active cell. To select content in the cell, double click inside the cell or press F2. So we'll double click inside it. You will be able to see that the cursor starts blinking over here. I'll increase the font size so that you are able to say I'll increase the size so that it is clearly visible to you. Now, if I double click over here, you will be able to see that the cursor is blinking. Once the cursor is blinking, it indicates that we are selecting that particular cell. Select an entire row. So I'll just select number one, and entire row will be selected. Number two, entire row is selected. Number three, entire row is selected. Selecting an entire column. So B, C, D, E. These are columns. On clicking on that particular alphabet, entire column will be selected. Moving. Select several rows or columns. So in order to select several rows or columns, what I require to do, I require just to select the cells. So if I'm selecting the cells, I will be able to select it, all the cells in the worksheet. So we require to press Control A. As soon as I press Control A, you will be able to see that entire thing is turning blue, or you will be able to see that the cells are gray in color. It indicates that entire cell or entire sheet has been selected. To select a range, now how to select a range, just select that particular row and column. So suppose if I'm selecting from here A1 to E13, you will be able to see A1 to E13. So this is called as a range of the cell. Done. So in this way, we are able to select a cells or column or entire sheet.